Sorry. I met this guy and told her last night.
Food packets are in the kitchen.
Okay.
I've already fed him once, so he just needs to be fed again at 6 with his meds.
At 6, okay.
Which are on the kitchen counter next to spare keys.
Got it.
Honestly, just don't forget his meds, and
all right,
please
meds,
try
got
not to smoke in the flat again.
I won't. I promise. Yeah, and spring rolls. Thank you.
It's a beautiful day. This is brand new music for you. Weekend lights are here. Loving from Katyea. You know it's not there.
Hello?
Hey, what are you up to?
We are. Hello, who's this?
It's Aurora
Who?
from last night.
Aurora. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I just saw your message.
Okay, well, I just thought maybe you want to hang out again because last night was really fun.
You know what?
And
I'm actually pretty busy for like the next couple of weeks, to be honest with you. A couple of big nights out, lined up birthdays, catching up with old mates and that.
oh, okay, yeah.
Well, I'll see you at the club again, would I? I mean, I guess I'll see you at the club.
Yeah.
You seem like the kind of girl who likes a good time, know what I mean? Definitely don't have no problems over and up my back,
Fuck.
that's for sure. Certainly don't need a couple of drinks, haven't I?
Hey.
1650, please. Cash only.
Here the change. No.
You have one new message. Hey, it's me. Just landed. Hope you're having a nice time. Tell Humperdinck I missed him. Send me a photo when you can. Thanks.
Humperdinck!
Hey, Aurora. Just got to my hotel.
Humperdinck!
I still haven't heard from you. Be great to get a photo or an update. Please just tell me if there's any problems. Oh, and don't smoke in the flat. Bye. You have 3 new messages. Aurora, I know you're getting these. Honestly, it's not too much to ask just for one photo. This is why I didn't want to ask you, to be honest.
Humperdinck! It's possible to go to the cat, like a little
been trying to phone you for hours. It's
Yeah,
all
yeah,
fed,
yeah.
and medicated.
All fine,
Oh my God,
all
why
fed,
didn't you
medicated.
send a photo?
Yeah, listen, I was
Stressing me out.
wondering,
Not fair.
what's actually wrong with them? And like, what's the medicine actually for?
Why is it so loud? I told you it's the stress and anxiety. Oh God, he's been so nervous lately. It's affecting his eating and his sleeping, and loud noise isn't going to help. So if you turn down the...
I didn't even know cats could.
Yes, which is why I wanted an update.
Yeah, no, he's fine, he's sleeping.
Okay, can you just send me a photo?
I'll send
Turn
you
the
a
music
photo.
down. He isn't going to like it next time. Pick up the
Yes,
fucking
I
phone
promise.
and just
Okay.
try and be a good friend for once in your life.
Okay.
Why can't you just do one fucking simple thing?
What you doing here? Oh, you was having a night in tonight. What you on it was you? What you doing here, you nutter? You getting on? You good? Didn't think I was going to see you tonight.
In all out with the boys, innit? Just having a little drink in there. Hey, what do you want? You want a wine? Come on.
No,
I'll get you a
I
drink.
can't. I need to. I have to. No.
Oh, come
no,
here,
I
mate.
need to move this dead cat.
Oh, well, why?
This is my friend's, and I fucking killed it.
You didn't kill it, mate.
Fucking did. I was meant to be looking after it, and I fucking lost it because I'm just fucking stupid.
You didn't kill it, mate. Tell her, boys. It's been there since last week. We had a little funeral for it and everything.
What?
Fuck me, I'm surprised he's still there. You're nuts, you are. Yeah, I bet you fucking touched him as well, wouldn't you? Come wash your hands, you have a little
I
dance,
can't. I
get
need
you
to
a
sort this
drink.
out.
Let's have a little dance.
I can't.
No, fuck it, we'll go back to yours then. I'm done with this place anyway.
I need to.
Got a bag of gear on.
I need to.
We're having all
I can't. Okay. I need to unfuck my life. I wish I could unfuck you actually, and I can't. But I don't want to fuck you again tonight or ever, and I want to start not fucking everything up, starting from tonight. Okay?
Aurora, like, I've tried to be patient, but the way you've acted tonight's fucking unacceptable. Like I'm not stressed out enough already flying out here. I have always fought your corner, but this is the last time. It's like the drinking and the drugs and the letdowns. You're a fucking mess, and I'm not putting up with it anymore. Whatever's going on with Humperdinck, just tell me.
Humperdinck! Humperdinck! Yes! Come here! Oh, you're a good boy, Humperdinck. You are. That's your mummy. That's your